station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. This week, preps are underway for the upcoming arrival of a cargo spacecraft, and SpaceX Crew 1 astronauts move closer to launch. NASA astronaut and current commander of the space station, Chris Cassidy, is gearing up for the arrival of the Northrop Grumman CRS-14 Cygnus cargo craft, currently slated to launch on Tuesday, September 29th from Wallops Flight Facility in Wallops, Virginia. CRS-14 will have on board a variety of payloads, including a new space toilet, an experiment targeting cancer treatment, and radish seeds that will be grown in the microgravity environment of the space station as part of an ongoing investigation on space plant growth. On Earth, the crew of SpaceX Crew 1 mission are continuing to prepare for their upcoming launch to the International Space Station. NASA astronauts Michael Hopkins, Victor Glover, and Shannon Walker, as well as JAXA mission specialist Soichi Noguchi, will take part in a crew news conference on Tuesday, September 29th from Houston. Tune in to NASA TV or the agency's website to learn more about the first crewed rotational mission of an American commercial spacecraft. The SpaceX Crew Dragon is scheduled to launch from NASA's Kennedy Space Center to the space station no earlier than October 23rd. This week's question comes from Amal, who wants to know when the crew of Expedition 63 will return to Earth. The crew of Expedition 63, which includes NASA astronaut Chris Cassidy and Russian cosmonauts Anatoly Ivanishin and Ivan Wagner, are scheduled to land in Kazakhstan on October 21st, bringing the end to a 6.5-month mission. During Expedition 63, Cassidy took part in 4 EVAs, bringing his total number of spacewalks to 10. That number ties Cassidy with Michael Lopez Alegria, Peggy Whitson, and Bob Behnken as the only U.S. astronauts to complete 10 spacewalks. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag AskNASA. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.